G'day, folks. This is your housing market review for the Shuswap Revelstoke area for July of 2025. This is kind of a broken record when you compare it to the North Okanagan, and those two areas are fairly close in proximity. But basically, the Shuswap Revelstoke area is flat. It is a balanced market, as balanced as it can be. If you look at the absorption here, the absorption was coming down. It was up around that 14. We had an 18 and a 12 here, and then it kind of inched down as we got into the tail end of 2024, and it's been relatively constant in that balanced market area, which is between 12 and 20%. We had 18%, so you could say that it's starting to inch up. If you look at the averages, we had a 7.46, but that was an anomaly. Basically, it was around that 12, 13%. And we had in May, it was 20%, and then 16% in June, and 18%. If that trend continues, that will turn into sort of a minor recovery area for the Shuswap Revelstoke area. Sales, there was 54 residential housing sales in July of 2025. The previous year, there was 47, so up a bit. The previous year before that, there was 51. So quite flat in the market as far as sales go, as far as absorption goes. Let's have a look at prices here. So if we go January, if we average January to July for this year, and over here we look at the price is $748,000, and then we take a look at January to July of last year, and we look at the price. The average price here is exactly $748,000. So there's very little difference. Its prices are basically flat, even though you have to remember that prices did come down in 2023 and then leveled off, and some areas that continued to drop in 2020, the first part of 2024, but basically it leveled off in 2024. The lower mainland, the Vancouver and Fraser Valley areas started a downturn in the beginning of 2024, whereas the interior kind of flattened out and remained steady and balanced. So that's your market review for the Shuswap Revelstoke area for July of 2025.